Good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Some users have this problem. Is also Mapsscraper is loading forever, never stops. And then we do some research about this problem, and we found out this is a bug in, in Chrome itself. So how we can fix this? So as you know, the tool is working on the background, scraping emails after he finished scraping the details. So when you go to the extension page, you find out the service worker is inactive. So it's not working. It's not working at all. So how we can fix this is click on service worker, okay? Click on network, and then reload the page or stop it. Reload. Write whatever you want to write. For example, I'll write to the shop, okay? And then click search. After you click search, start scrapping. And then what you have to do is go to the extension page and click on service worker. Click at this thing. If you can't find it, click details and click this button. Okay, click and then click start. So right now the service worker will be active forever if you click this page. You just have to watch this tool right now is scraping all this information from Google Maps, and it will continue. You just have to wait until they scrap all the data. So right now it starts scraping emails, as you can see. Start scraping emails. So he finished scraping all this list. Now he started the process of email. So the tool is working right now. It's active. As you can see, it's active. It's not inactive like before. It's active right now. Okay. So it will load, and I will show you how to fix this problem also on Edge. You know, while it's scraping, I'll show you how to fix it on Edge. Okay. You go to this Microsoft Edge. For example, I'll write media agency. For example, and then I click. This is the extension. Click on service workers. As you can see, it's not active. Just click here and start scrapping. So this page has to be open also. Dev tools must be open if you don't want to waste your time. Like if some people they don't have this issue. I think some people have this issue since so it depends. I discovered this problem right now for me is also. So and then I do some research about it and I found out this is a problem from Chrome itself, and we will try to see how they will fix it in the future, and we will make updates. As you can see, the tool is working. It right now starts scribing emails also in Edge. Let me check and Chrome. Chrome is still working, it's scribing, as you can see, all these pages. So the tool is working in the background, is doing a lot of work. There's some people, there's some website that their email is encrypted. So this tool is trying to open that email also. As you can see, it's scraping all the emails. They both scraping Chrome and Edge. If you have this new tip for you guys, you can use a scrapping tool and three other Chromes, or if you have Edge and Chrome, you can still run both of them, and you still have good great result. You know, but you have to open this place, DevTools, extension, Service Worker, DevTools, Microsoft Edge. Go here, Service Worker. I'm right now waiting for the result. I think Chrome is finished. Okay, I go to this page. As you can see, all the result. This result. Scrub out most of the emails and all this information. And Edge, Microsoft still working. Microsoft browser still working. It's grabbing the data for me. Still scrapping. You don't have to click here. Still searching for the data. And that's it, guys. Or we just have to wait. Let me see also enable tips. He finished. So I have to close 8 because it will take a lot of time also. But it's still working. As you can see, it's still working. But I don't have time. So I want to make this video short. So that's how you fix the problem.